Hey everyone, welcome to Master and None Garage. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to be putting that on that. So join me and let's have some fun. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a steel bumper out of all that steel over there. Not all of it, but some of it. I got like a curved deal that I bent a while ago, and it was for a Toyota Tacoma, but didn't need it. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to cut it, bend it a little bit more, and that'll be my starting base on this front bumper. So I'm just going to get into it. Alright, so I got it kind of mocked up. I kind of like the curve. It's not completely correct, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take this front bumper off and set it inside to where this right here is kind of flush with this right here. Right now I can't really go any further. I got stuff to do later on tonight, and I need the van, and I'm not going to pull the bumper. So for you guys, it'll be a couple seconds. For me, it'll be a whole weekend. So I'm going to hand it over to Future Andrew. Future Andrew here. It's been a weekend and a Monday. Sunday, I hurt my back. So Monday, I took the day to try to make it feel a little bit better, and it is. But anyways, I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to remove this front bumper, and I'm going to see what I have to do to mount this steel up to the van. And I think I'm going to mount it, cut that bumper up, and I'm going to have to relocate the fog lights. It'll probably be LED buckets, but we'll tackle that when we come to it. I got it all mocked up. Looks pretty good. The tube just pokes through the front of the bumper and it's perfect. I just cut just enough, which is perfect. So what I'll do is I'll bolt everything back up, but I want to show you the internal structure of this right now. It's pretty simple what I did. So I want to walk you through it. So basically what I did is tried to get this as close to this inner bumper as possible. And I actually used the old bracketry that was right here that I ended up cutting off so I could suck this in. I cut off the ends so it'd clear the washer fluid reservoir and also the horns over there. I basically cut these little ends off right here, the outer parts, and I actually reused them. So it's kind of saves me some metal that I have lying around. And don't mind the welds, they're just tacked right now and they're terrible looking. So basically I made this to where all this comes off from the factory bolts right here. And it's pretty simple to come off. It's 4 bolts. And what I'll do is I will take this whole thing off and finish weld everything and grind it all smooth and make it look nice. But right now we're in the mock-up stage. I think it looks pretty good. I think this is the end of part 1, and this might be a 2 or 3 part video, but I tweaked my back a little bit and I think I'm gonna rest it up before our big trip to California, and that's next week. So I have like 3 days, 4 days to rest up before we get there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked today's video, please like, share, and subscribe, and smash the notification bell. Tell me what you think of Mad Max style Dodge Grand Caravan. I'm still trying to figure out a name for it, so if you have a name for it, post it in the comments. Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.